Hey, it's Phyzeek here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a beginner shoulder workout. We just did a set of 20-pound kettlebell, which is going to be 9 pounds kg, and a 10 pounds dumbbell, which is going to be 4 pounds kg. We're going to be learning how to correctly work our shoulders. My goal is to explain to you the movements and forms that I've been using for the past 7-8 years to work my shoulders and how to do them correctly. Exercise is going to be 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, and we're going to be getting the muscle activated in no time. I hope this workout is helpful. If you guys want more videos like this, please subscribe below. Let's start living healthier and living better. Let's go. Too easy. All right, so for the first exercise, I'm going to be grabbing a 20-pound set of kettlebell. If this is in kilogram, that would be 9 pounds. Next, I'm going to bring this weights up to the front right position. Front right means the palm is facing outside. I'm sitting up straight, even though I have a back of the chair to kind of help me with some back leverage, but I'm looking out, my core is engaged. Next, I'm going to extend my arm up and bring the weight back down. All right, that's the movement. Let's get it. All right, while we take a break, we're going to be getting ready for the next exercise. It's going to be the same movement, but we're going to be doing it with a single arm this time instead of doing it with both arms. So again, bring the weight back to the forward position, and from here you can either put your other hand on your thighs or you can put it out and then stand up, whatever is comfortable for you. As long as you make sure you're looking up, your core is engaged, and you're making sure you're going in full range of motion. Let's get it. All right, so for the next movement, I'm going to be moving the weight to the other side, and just so I don't keep repeating the same thing, but in case you missed the last time, I'll repeat myself again. Bring the kettlebell to a forward position, palm is facing outside, extend all the way up, bring the weight down. Let's get it. Enjoy your break. Next exercise, we're going to be putting the kettlebell away. Now we're going to grab the dumbbells. I'm using 10-pound set of dumbbell. You can go heavier or lighter, whatever is comfortable for you. This will be 4 pounds in kg. Next movement is going to be side raises. So for this, I'm going to come up a little to the front of the chair. I'm going to hold the dumbbell in neutral position, bring the dumbbell outside, and bring it back down. Don't go too high, don't go too low. Listen to your body. The most important thing is to make sure we're engaging full range of motion. Don't force anything. Just engage the muscles that you want to work out, which is the shoulder. All right? Let's get it. While we're taking a break, our next exercise is going to be front raises. For this movement, you can sit back to the back of the chair, but for me, I like to be around the front of the chair, so that way I can go my full range of motion I can look up, engage my core, my body stationary, then I can slightly engage. I can make sure I'm engaging my shoulders in the right way. You don't have to go super high on this movement. Once you come up here, that's okay. Nice running. All right, now we're going back to kettlebell. Next exercise is going to be doing a seated shrugs. So next exercise is going to be putting our chest up, then bringing our traps up and relax. Engage range of motion, bring it back down. That's what we're doing for the next movement. Let's get it. I'm not going super heavy on this on purpose because I want to make sure I'm activating my traps the right way and I'm letting the weight pull me back down. All right, next movement is going to be doing an Arnold press. So for Arnold press, I'm going to be using the dumbbell. I hope you guys are not tired of going back and forth. I planned this out much better than this, but hey, let's get it. Next, we're going to bring the dumbbell facing yourself in a neutral grip position, and from here, you're going to extend up and bring it back down again. That's what we're doing. Right, next exercise, we're still sticking to the dumbbells. We're going to be doing alternated front raises, but it's going to be a neutral grip front raise. So neutral grip is when you hold the dumbbell like you're carrying a suitcase, and then I'm going to bring one dumbbell up to around to my height level, bring it back down, alternate to the other side. That's what we're doing. But still making sure my chest is engaged. We're not going around our stomach, so our core is engaged, our body is stationary, we're engaging the right muscles. Let's go. Right. Our next exercise is going to be upright row. This movement, we're going to be going back to the kettlebell, and I'm going to be using both kettlebells. You can do one single kettlebell if you want to. You can just use, one kettlebell. Bring the kettlebell up here to around your chin level and bring it back down. But today I'm going to be using both of my kettlebells as I engage my traps. All right, let's get it. Right, now we're going to make our next movement. It's going to go back to the dumbbell. We're going to be doing side raises like we did earlier, but this time around we're going to be leaning much further, and we're just going to let the dumbbell fly out. We're going to be trying to get our upper back and at the same time get our shoulders, right? Front, mid, front deltoids. Let's get it. Alright, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. You can do this workout at the gym or at home. This is an exercise that I think I've created perfectly for beginners or intermediate people that's starting up at the gym. The goal of this movement is to make sure you learn how to do each movement correctly. You don't have to force anything. You have to know how to engage your shoulders muscle, and then you can slowly increase the weight as time goes by. If you guys like this workout, please subscribe below. If you have any workout specifically you want me to create, leave a comment below and I'm gonna create it. Without wasting too much time, thank you for subscribing, and I appreciate you guys for supporting me. Click the notification button for more, so that whenever I drop a new video, you guys can get a notification that I've uploaded a new video. Please subscribe. I appreciate you. Let's get it. Too easy. Let's go.